Shrinkage is real. Hold up. Ooh. It's so real. I've been thinking about you. Hey, natural skin, smooth. You feed me too. Shot it, you gotta choose. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Shaenatural here, and I am back with another video. Y'all see I keep bouncing my hair because it's so bouncy and so pretty. Oh my gosh. So as you guys can see from the title, I will be doing a flat twist style. You guys, I love it so much. Like, my hair is so bouncy, so fluffy, so full of volume, and it's also very defined, and I just love it. I did jumbo flat twist. I haven't done a flat twist in a minute, and the last time I did it, I didn't even record, but it was actually very nice. I do like the jumbo flat twist because it gives me, like I said, a nice amount of volume. It gives me a little bit of frizz, and I actually do like a little bit of frizz, not too much. I just love it. If you guys like my flat twist out results, continue watching, and let's get into the video. Hey guys, so as always, I'm going to be doing my hair in 4 sections. I'm starting off by taking down the twist I put in to stretch my hair out, and then I'm going to section each half off. For the section I'm not working on, I'm going to add a bit of my Melanin hair care leave-in and twist that up while I begin working on my twist. In the front, I am parting sideways in the way I want my hair to fall. For me, I went to the right, but you can part any way you feel comfortable. On my scalp, I'm using my Negés Banda, Papaya, and Hibiscus hair grease. Next, I'm going in with my Melanin Hair Care Twist Elongating Cream to moisturize my hair. And once I realize my hair is completely tangle free, I'm going to start twisting. And you want to make sure you stay as close as possible to your scalp and face when you twist to make sure your twist is as tight as possible. And my hair is starting to air dry, so I took a little bit of my Melanin hair care leave-in and added it to my ends and continued twisting down. And for the other half, as you can see, I am parting straight down. So I'm just going to continue the same process, going back and forth with my Melanin hair care leave-in conditioner and elongating twisting cream, being sure to use my Negés Banda hair grease to seal. And I'm putting these hair clips in momentarily to keep my twist from undoing on my scalp. I took them down after a day. Hey guys, I'm back and it's time for the takedown. So to help with frizz, I'm going to rub my hair grease in my hands and carefully take down my hair.
and we're done. My hair is so fluffy and voluminous. I love it. Comment down below and tell me what you guys think. And I added a little bit more of my Negés Banda to my scalp, and I just scalp massaged, and oh my gosh, this feels so good. Alright guys, and that was it on my video on how I got this beautiful voluminous look wing jumbo flat twist. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big old thumbs up. If you guys try this method out, please don't forget to tag me in your social medias. And if you put it on your story, tag me in your story so I can repost. Tag me so I can give you a recognition. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe down below and click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive all my post notifications on when I post. Also, go ahead and comment your social media so I can go follow you and give you some recognition, because I appreciate you for being here and supporting me. Like, and then you watch until the end of the video, so like I really appreciate you. Like, we here. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, feedback, anything, please feel free to DM me, email me, tweet me, do whatever you want to do to get in contact with me. I would definitely suggest email or DMing on Instagram before you tweet me though. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really do. Let me know what kind of videos you want next. I haven't done a mukbang or a cooking video in a minute, so if you guys want something like that, please let me know. I'll probably put a poll up, see what you guys want. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, love you. Attitude on na and yo stomach on flat and yo on agua.